main features of the Second Republican Constitution of 1979. The National Assembly. The Constitution established a bicameral legislature. So in this second part of the main features of the Second Republican Constitution of 1979, we'll be focusing on the National Assembly. The National Assembly, the Constitution established a bicameral legislature. What do we call a bicameral legislature? A bicameral legislature is a two-chamber legislature. That is, we have an upper chamber legislature and a lower chamber legislature, and they serve as check and balance for each other. The House of Representatives had 450 members, and the Senate had 95 members. These houses are jointly called the National Assembly. So the House of Representatives and the Senate are jointly called the National Assembly. Let's look at the term of office of the members of the House of Representatives and Senate. The House of Representatives, with an elected Speaker and Deputy Speaker, as well as the Senate and its elected President and Vice President, were elected for a 4-year term. So after 4 years, they have to be re-elected into office or they are voted out of office. So the term of office for members of the House of Representatives, including the elected Speaker and the Deputy Speaker, is a period of 4 years. So the term of office for members of the National Assembly is a 4-year term. Let's look at some of the functions of the National Assembly. First, the National Assembly is the body responsible for lawmaking. So they are the ones that make bills, but it is the president that assents the bills to be passed into law. They have the powers of investigation, so they could investigate situations where the president is abusing power, is misusing power, or situations whereby the president might need to be impeached. So they have the powers of investigation. They control the raising and spending of money. So together with the National Assembly, the president sits together with them to write the national budget for the country. So they are in charge. They control the raising and the spending of money in the country. They also have the power of impeachment. The National Assembly has the power to impeach the president from office. And with this, we've come to the end of this class. Pretty short, but we looked at the National Assembly as one of the main features of the Second Republican Constitution. We equally looked at some of the functions of the National Assembly and their term of office. And I'll see you at the next class.